Hey guys, so this is the OnePlus 6, finally first live look at the 2018 OnePlus smartphone, and it looks damn gorgeous guys. Alright, so first off, the front has a full screen display which is most likely of 6 inches, but that's not all. We also have an iPhone 10 like notch which most of you guys may find ugly, but it is the latest trend guys, and every other brand is announcing smartphones with notch. Yeah, moving on, as you can see, it is running on the latest Oxygen OS 5.1.0, which is based on Android 8.1 Oreo, and that's something really great guys, cause it would support Google's Project Treble. And another thing this image reveals is that it is the 6GB RAM variant of the OnePlus 6. Definitely we are going to see the 8GB model too, but I think the 6GB would be enough for most of you guys. Now the interesting part you all were waiting for, the rear of the OnePlus 6. It looks freaking awesome guys. Finally, premium glass back with unique camera placement. We have the fingerprint sensor right below the dual cameras. Yeah, you may feel it looks like the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, but it's a good design and great fingerprint sensor placement. I mean, easy to access. Yeah, to the bottom we have OnePlus trademark, which reveals that this leak is legit. Months back in an interview with CNET, OnePlus CEO officially revealed that the OnePlus 6 is coming with the latest Snapdragon 845 processor in the second quarter of 2018. So brace yourself guys, because the beast OnePlus 6 is finally coming. Let me know your thoughts in the below comment section, and peace out.